Welcome to Seeking Alpha's Wall Street Breakfast, where we cover the top news for investors every morning. Good morning. Today is Thursday, October 31st. I'm Julie Morgan. The new CEO of Starbucks is getting back to basics. Blackstone is reportedly ready to make a $7 billion investment, and the Grammys has a new home. Starbucks outlined some of the traffic headwinds it saw in the U.S., China, and other global markets during the company's earnings call. The company suspended its guidance for fiscal year 25, but said it still sees store growth opportunities because new stores in low-density regions are outperforming. CEO Brian Niccol made his highly anticipated appearance on the call. Niccol said the earnings results were very disappointing. He wants Starbucks stores to be a welcoming coffee house where people gather and where the company serves the finest coffee handcrafted by skilled baristas. A top priority is to improve the time it takes for store customers to receive their orders. As part of an appeal to the coffee house vibe, Niccol said Starbucks plans to bring back condiment coffee bars in all cafes by early 2025, offer ceramic mugs again, and bring back cozy seating and amenities to make stores a place where customers want to gather. An area that Starbucks plans to put in some guardrails is with order customization as part of a strategy to improve throughput. The company is also removing extra charges for non-dairy milk orders, beginning on November 7th. Outside the U.S., Niccol noted the China turnaround could take some time, but was optimistic about the opportunities in new international markets. Notably, Starbucks said it would not raise prices in North America in fiscal year 25. The new strategy at Starbucks could have implications for rivals such as Dunkin' Donuts, Dutch Bros, and Panera. Blackstone is the mystery investor who bid for a $7 billion minority stake in Roger Communications' cell phone infrastructure business. This is according to a Globe and Mail report on Wednesday, which cited two people familiar with the matter. Rogers announced last Thursday that it was selling a $7 billion equity interest in its backhaul network, though it did not identify who the buyer was. Rogers offered Blackstone, Apollo, and a number of other large asset managers an opportunity to invest in the business, according to the report. Brookfield Asset Management and KKR also made pitches. According to the report, Blackstone offered the best terms, though Apollo still wants the asset and is attempting to sweeten its offer. The Grammys, hosted by the Recording Academy, has found a new broadcast partner after staying over half a century with CBS. In a company blog, Disney said it has struck a 10-year global deal to the coveted event that will be exclusively simulcast on ABC, Hulu, and Disney Plus beginning in 2027. The deal value was initially not disclosed, but according to a Wall Street Journal report, the company is paying more than $500 million to air the event. As part of the deal, the Recording Academy will produce multiple Grammy-branded music specials and additional new programming for audiences around the world across Disney's platforms. The latest deal will set Disney up well in 2027 to broadcast the Oscars, the Super Bowl, and the Grammys. I have a few other articles that I'd like to share with you that you can find on Seeking Alpha. Elon Musk is ordered to attend a hearing in Philadelphia over the $1 million voter giveaway. We have the key takeaways for Meta's Q3 earnings. And we have a look at how investors should allocate their money in election years, according to Seeking Alpha's VP of Quantitative Strategy, Stephen Kress. Now for a look at our catalyst to watch for the day. It's a short one. Apple will hold its earnings conference call at 5 p.m. Qorvo and InterDigital are two major Apple suppliers that have moved in tandem with the stock following earnings over the last year. Carvana is on our list of the biggest movers of the day pre-market. Carvana is up 20% after the online car retailer exceeded Q3 expectations and raised its full-year outlook, driven by robust vehicle sales. Now for a look at the markets today. As of 6 a.m., Dow, S&P, and Nasdaq futures are in the red. Crude oil is up 0.6% at $69 a barrel. Bitcoin is down 0.2% at $72,000. In the world markets, the FTSE 100 is down 0.6%, and the same is true for the DAX. On today's economic calendar, at 8:30 a.m., personal income and outlays, and at 2 p.m., Treasury buyback results. That's it for today's Wall Street Breakfast. Thanks for listening. For a full offering of news, analysis, ratings, and data on stocks and ETFs, become a premium subscriber. Learn more at seekingalpha.com/subscriptions. I'm your host, Julie Morgan. Go out and make it a great day.